Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking vegetable bird's nests from Trader Joe's in the air fryer. This is sold in the frozen appetizer section. They're so delicious, so crispy, and air fryer is perfect for cooking them. No need to defrost, air fry will cook them straight from frozen. So let me open up the package. There's a dipping sauce that we're going to set aside. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to add them to the air fryer. So put them in a single layer. So these bird's nests are tempura vegetables. It's an Asian inspired dish. Perfect. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 6 minutes. Now remember those sauce packets that came with this frozen appetizer? So while the air fryer is cooking, I'm just going to put them in hot water. So I'm going to fill the bowl with the hot water from the tap. And I will put my sauce packets in this hot water. So they're going to fully defrost while the air fryer is cooking. So then at the end they'll be ready for dipping. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at that. These vegetable bird's nests look amazing. They're so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Looks so crispy. So let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. It's a crispy tempura shaped like a bird's nest. How creative they are at Trader Joe's. Looks so good. And now this dipping sauce, so it's fully thawed. Didn't have to do anything. The warm water did the trick. So now I'm just going to pour it in a little bowl for dipping. Perfect. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's dip this tempura in a dipping sauce. So good. Did you hear the crunch? It was so crunchy as I bit into it. Goes so well with the salty, flavorful dipping sauce. And the tempura is so crunchy on the outside and delicious and flavorful on the inside. It just tastes as if it came out of the deep fryer, but there was no deep fryer, there was air fryer. This is amazing how air fryer can achieve this crispy flavor and texture without using any extra oil. It's like a miracle. You will love it. Air fryer is perfect for this job. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!